Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into our FAQ segment where we answer all of your burning questions about Lawn Buddy. If you want to stay in the loop and be sure to get the latest updates, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our monthly newsletter. Now, let's get started and make your experience with Lawn Buddy even better.
Today we'll be diving into the question of, how do I edit a recurring job? Right now with the Lawn Buddy platform, you can do this on your mobile app or the website version of your account. We're going to start with mobile today. So again, I wanted to remind you that you have a couple different views. This view is our calendar view. If you click up here where it says calendar, you can see that you have an all jobs view here where you can see all the jobs that you have open, completed, and canceled. You can also sort these by crew. So if you're wanting to see what your crew has going on, you can do that here. You can also look at just today's jobs, and that's going to show it in the route optimized order. Again, you can filter this by crew, or you can look at all of your jobs here. You can also look at your map view. This is just going to show you pinpointed on your map where your jobs are scheduled, and it only shows one day at a time. So you would have to change the date if you're wanting to see different jobs that are scheduled for that day. I'm going to go back to my calendar view. So on this page, you can tell if a job is recurring based off the recurring symbol that's next to the overdue portion of the job, or if it's a job due today, then it'll be next to the word open on the job. So we're going to go up here and I'm going to click on Bruce Banner. So when I open up Bruce Banner, I'm looking at this single job that's scheduled on September 3rd. So it is an overdue job. If I change this date, or if I change the price on this job, it is only going to change for this one job. It will not edit the entire series. To edit the entire series, you'll need to come down here and see, okay, this job is scheduled to recur every 1 week. And then you would click edit next to that. This will edit the entire recurring series. So at the top, you can see where it says edit recurring job. Any changes that you make in here, so if you change the price, if you change the frequency here, so we're going to do every 2 weeks, and I'm going to change it to Wednesdays. And we're going to change our end date to be October 23rd. Then that's going to change for the entire series. Now, the big thing on mobile is when you edit a recurring series, it's automatically going to change your start date to the day that you're editing. So if you're wanting the start date to change for this or anything like that, just make sure that you click on that start date and you change it to whatever day you're wanting it to be. I'm going to go ahead and leave it on today's date. So once I'm done, I'm going to click save. Awesome. So when I scroll down to the bottom, I can see that Bruce is scheduled for today now instead of an overdue job. So I'm going to click into his job and click his name so we can review his jobs. So we have one scheduled today and then every 2 weeks until the end of the series. You can also see that the price changed and everything on there as well. Now moving on to our web version, you have a couple different options when it comes to editing a recurring series. So the first place that you can do this is going to be on your dashboard. You'll find the job here where you have your recurring symbol on here as well. Once you've identified that, you would click on actions and then be sure that you find the edit series button. Again, if you click on just edit job, that's going to just edit that one single job. So you'll need to make sure you click on edit series. You can also edit the series in your list view, but I'm going to click on calendar view here. Alrighty, so this job is scheduled for Lawn Buddy today, so I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click Edit Series. So in here, I'm going to change the frequency to every 1 week, and it's on Wednesdays already, so we're going to leave that the same. Now, the big thing when it comes to web is you need to change the date of the first service by clicking on the calendar. As you can see, I went in here and clicked today's date. If I do not change the date to the date that I want it to start, it will backdate all of those jobs. So this one was set for May 8th when we first opened it. So it's going to backdate new open jobs to May 8th. So you want to make sure that you're changing that date of first service to be the date that you're wanting that job series to start. That is extremely important so that things do not get messed up in your account. Once you're done with this, and you've changed the dates and got the frequency you like, you would click save, and it's going to update this job showing that it's due today. And then we'll click into their account and we're gonna go check the frequency. And it looks like I clicked an account that has a bunch of overdue jobs. Sorry about that. Okay, here we are. So this is gonna show you that we had the job scheduled for today, and it's gonna repeat every single week. We had an end date scheduled for never, so it's gonna create up to 12 jobs at a time.
Thank you so much for being a part of the Lawn Buddy community, and come back every Wednesday for a new FAQ video.